Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you how to create a freeze frame effect on your video. And I think it was good to create maybe like a intro video or maybe like a pronounce video, sorry. And yeah, kind of like that. So the way to create it, first you need to open your CapCut like this and import the video that you want to add this effect. And now after you import your video onto this page, now you just need to click the clip like this and swipe. You can swipe your clip onto the exact duration, and maybe you can just click this play button and let the clip is playing. And now when it hits the perfect duration or the exact duration that you want to add the effect, now you just need to stop or pause on it and then swipe left your toolbar like this until you found freeze button, this one. Just click it and wait for a moment until the clip is freeze. Until the clip is freezed. Okay, now after it freeze, now you just need to duplicate the freeze clip like this by swiping your toolbar to the left and click duplicate. Now you just need to set it as an overlaid clip, and like this. So we have these two stack of freeze clip. Okay, the next step, just go to the overlaid clip, swipe left the toolbar until you found this remove BG, click it and use this auto removal to remove the background from the image or from the freeze clip. Now the next step, just need to click the clip one more time, go to remove BG, auto removal and click the stroke effect. Now you can use this pepper stroke and decrease the distance and like this and increase the texture. And for the size, you need to increase it too, like this. Now go back, hit the check button when it's done, and the next step you need to do is just click the first overlaid clip, go to effect and click video effect, and then you just need to type this dot silk screen and then search it. Now use this free video effect, this one, and then click one more time to adjust the texture of it, and like this. And okay, I think on that position. And for the color, I think I'm going to go to a little bit red and like this, and swipe up again. You can adjust the size from the dots effect and like this. Now go back, click cancel and hit the check button when you're done. Okay, now the next step, you can see the preview or the result, and it will look like this. And if it's not satisfied you enough, you can just add a transition onto the clip. Maybe let's use this shake transition, this one. Then click it, hit the check button. Now when you're done, this is the final result of it. And that's the way how to create this freeze frame effect on your clip only using CapCut Mobile. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.